Ever wondered how to kickstart your day with energy? How to leap out of bed, ready to tackle whatever the world throws at you? The secret might just lie in a morning workout routine. Picture this. The sun peeks over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. It's peaceful, quiet, and the perfect time to connect with your body and prepare for the day ahead. Phase 1 of this invigorating routine begins with a full-body stretch. Reach up high, feeling the stretch down the back of your legs, through your back, and up into your fingertips. Roll your shoulders, loosen your neck, and let any tension from your sleep melt away. This is your body's morning wake-up call, signaling that it's time to get moving. Next, transition into a set of jumping jacks. This classic exercise gets the heart pumping, sending oxygen-rich blood to every corner of your body. Start with 10, gradually increasing each day as your stamina improves. The goal here isn't to exhaust yourself, but rather to gently kickstart your metabolism and wake up your muscles. Then it's time for some strength training. Push-ups and planks are excellent choices for a morning workout. They engage multiple muscle groups, boosting overall strength and stability. Aim for a set of 10 push-ups, followed by a 30-second plank. Don't worry if you can't manage that many to start with. The important thing is to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Finally, wrap up your morning routine with a calming cooldown. This might be a series of yoga poses like downward dog or child's pose, or a simple walk around the block. The goal is to slowly bring your heart rate back down and allow your muscles to relax. To summarize, a morning workout routine is a fantastic way to start your day with energy. Begin with a full body stretch, transition into some heart-pumping jumping jacks, move on to strength training with push-ups and planks, and finish with a calming cooldown. Remember, consistency is key. It might feel challenging at first, but stick with it. Over time, your body will adjust, and you'll begin to see and feel the benefits. You'll find yourself more alert during the day, your mood will improve, and you'll be better equipped to handle stress. So, why not give it a try? Tomorrow morning as the sun rises, take a few moments for yourself and your health. You might just find that it's the perfect way to start your day.